In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an opt-in landing page form in Keap. First, log into your Keap account. Before we build anything, it helps to understand what an opt-in form is and why it matters. An opt-in form allows a visitor to voluntarily share their contact information, usually things like their name and email address, in exchange for something valuable or to subscribe to your communication. In Keap, this is commonly used to collect lead information, add that person into your contacts, apply a tag like a new lead tag, trigger automation, send a welcome or confirmation email, and begin a follow-up campaign. Once you're inside Keap, go to Marketing. From there, select landing pages for this example, although you can also choose forms. The main difference is that an opt-in form is usually embedded into an existing website page, while an opt-in landing page is a standalone page built specifically to capture leads. If you want a focused page with fewer distractions, a landing page is often the better choice. Next, click Create, then choose Landing Page. For this walkthrough, select Start from Scratch. This gives you full control over the layout and content. Now type in your page name. In this example, use opt-in page, then click Continue. Once the editor opens, click and drag a heading onto the canvas. Enter your headline and subheadline. Your headline is the main attention grabber. It tells visitors what they're getting and why they should care. The subheadline supports that message by adding a little more detail or value. Together, these help guide the visitor and improve clarity on your opt-in page. After that, drag a text block onto the canvas and type in opt-in page, or whatever supporting text you'd like to use. This area can be customized however you want, so feel free to match it to your brand and message. Now drag a form onto the canvas. This is the key part of your opt-in page because it's where visitors enter their information. The form is what turns a visitor into a lead inside Keap. Next, add your fields. You'll notice that first name and email address are already included by default, which makes setup faster. Then add last name, job title, company, phone, and ad note. These fields help you collect more detailed information about your leads. Last name helps complete contact records. Job title and company can give you business context. Phone adds another contact method, and ad note can capture extra information directly from the lead. When everything looks good, click Preview. This lets you see how the page will appear to visitors before publishing, which is a great way to catch formatting issues or make final adjustments. If you're satisfied with your form, click Next. Publish, then click Publish Landing Page. After someone submits the form, Keap can create the contact, apply a tag, send a welcome email, deliver the promised resource, and start follow-up emails automatically. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.